This is an intro to discovery. You may or may not need it, but I'm just going to tell you what it is and how it works to see if maybe you do. So discovery is the process of collecting evidence from the other side, and it's very beneficial for numerous reasons. The first thing is that, you have to get the evidence, right? So getting discovery, there are three main ways we do this. Interrogatories, which are questions you send to the other side, and the other side has to answer the questions. There are requests for production, which are documents or files. So it could be a bank statement. It could be, a recording of a conversation you had. You request this from the other side, and they have to produce them. Requests for admissions, which are statements that they have to admit or deny. Now, all these can be super helpful because if they don't comply, you get to enforce discovery. So that's like a good faith letter, where you send a letter saying like, hey, you didn't answer these, please do. And then there's a motion to compel, where you file with the court and the court tells them to answer them. And if they don't do that, you get a motion for sanctions. Now, the reason this is so beneficial is because once you get to this point of them not answering, they can be barred from presenting evidence at all that's subject to your discovery. So if you ask them the appropriate questions and they did not answer them, they cannot talk about those in court, whether or not they're true or false. So it can be a very powerful way to prepare for negotiations or settlement because you are limiting the evidence that can be presented. So it's super helpful. If you find this helpful, there's a whole course on this subject. You can click the link below and go to that course. Thank you.